This TikTok right here is a great example on how you can make money online. Here, let me explain. All right, from what we can see here, the TikTok for this particular product has over 3.7 million likes. This means this product is really popular. Okay, next step is to find this product on Amazon. It looks like I found it right here. It's an ice ball maker. Next step is I'm going to go ahead and run my product research Chrome extension. You can find this on overlookpro.com. Now, what this tool is going to do is it's going to give you an average of revenue from the sellers on page 1 of Amazon. From what we can see here, the average seller on page 1 of Amazon selling those portable ice ball makers is making more than $48,000 a month in sales. They're selling more than 2,600 pieces every month. Now, the average profit margin on a private label product like that one is about 30%. So the average seller on page 1 of Amazon selling that product is doing more than $14,000 a month profit. Next step is I'm going to go to Alibaba.com to find a supplier for the product. If you don't know what Alibaba is, guys, it's simply a website that connects you with manufacturers from China or India. And from what we can see here, we can get this product manufactured for only $5.55 per piece. And we see that it's selling on Amazon for $19. Now, the key here, guys, is to not sell the exact same thing that everybody's selling. For example, if I was going to try and sell